Hello, Beauty Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a... Do we know what we're doing? I am going to be reviewing the new set from Pat McGrath. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Mini Lust Gloss Lip Gloss Trio, and the version that I got is Sunset Seduction Trio. So very excited for this. We're going to be swatching all of these, wearing them for the next couple of hours, seeing how the formula is, and we're going to get to play with the sequins. So if you enjoy review videos, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. This comes in a little pack like this. This product retails for $25. Right now it has 4.5 stars and almost 400 reviews, so that is awesome. Like I said, I got the version Sunset Seduction. It looks like these three are a little bit darker than the other option. The other option is Skin Show Nudes, which are very neutral. This is a little bit more of deeper, so maybe for deeper skin tones it would look really pretty. It says that it is a trio of mini nude glosses in warm and cool tone variations that deliver sensuous color and seductive shine. I think I have the more warm toned version. The other option, Skin Show Nudes, are I think the cool toned lip glosses. It's described as a gel meets balm formula that's infused with nourishing oils to help soothe lips while imparting three-dimensional luster and a sheer veil of color. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm really excited. I'm gonna try not to like put the sequins everywhere because it's gonna take forever to clean up. So I have never purchased anything for Pat McGrath before because it's just such an expensive brand and I can't get behind it. This is what the little set looks like. So I'm gonna try to carefully kind of pull these out without getting the sequins everywhere. Oh no, I'm already getting them everywhere. You can't avoid it. They're just gonna get everywhere even if you're careful. So here are the three glosses that I got. We have the shade Love Potion, which looks like this. It's more of a light beige neutral color. Then we have the middle tone, which is called Sunset Rose, which looks like this. Then we have the deepest shade, which is called Flesh 6, and that's what that one looks like. I would say Flesh 6 doesn't have any sparkle in it, but these first two do. So really, really pretty packaging. I love it. It reminds me a little bit of the packaging, like the size of the Glossier lip glosses that I reviewed not that long ago. I was so excited to see these on sale for 25 bucks, like to get three and try different colors and formulas, within the set, I think was really awesome because, like I said, I've just never purchased from Pat McGrath. They are very expensive. The glosses, the eyeshadows, just everything is on another level. I've heard really great things about the brand and specifically about these glosses, but I've just never bit the bullet and actually purchased them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on without any lip liner underneath just so we can see what it's looking like on the lips. All right, we are up close and personal. Hello. First one we are going to apply is the Love Potion gloss. Now let's just swatch these really quickly. That is the shade Love Potion. Very pretty, very glittery. I can see, like, it looks nice. So let's go ahead and apply it. Wow, this feels really nice on the lips. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, it does look very shiny on the lips. This is definitely a lighter tone where it could go over pretty much any lip product that you have on, just to add a little bit of that shine. There's no mintiness or anything, but there is like almost a feeling on the lips that has some kind of scent to it or some kind of, I don't know, taste. It's very pleasant and it does feel very glossy, but not sticky glossy at all. It does feel very nice on the lips. Very nourishing. Again, my lips look very plump. I really like the consistency. It's thicker, but it's not sticky. And I feel like it's going to last a long time on the lips. All right, let's go in with the second, like the middle shade. This is called Sunset Rose. This one looks like it has about the same sparkle as the first one that we tried. Okay, wow. That is the shade Sunset Rose. Let's go ahead and apply it. I think this one honestly might be my favorite so far. All right, this one feels very similar to the first one. It seems like the same formula. This is so pretty. I really love the tone of this. I could easily see this being the one that I wear the most just because it has a little bit of a pigment to it. It has a similar tone to my actual lip color, but I see it going very well with a lot of the other lip colors that I have in my collection. Definitely very glossy, very glittery, just everything that you want in a gloss. Feels very nice on the lips, but I really like the shade of this one. Now let's go ahead and try the very last lip gloss. So here is the last one. This is obviously the deepest of the set. This is called Flesh 6. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see how pigmented this is. Okay. That is the shade Flesh 6, very pigmented, very deep. All right, here is Flesh 6. Wow. Definitely the most pigmented of the three, but very pretty. And I could see going really well on a deeper, like mauvier lip color. It's definitely not too deep for a fair person like me to wear this, so I think it would fit a lot of different skin tones and look especially like really pretty on deeper skin tones. These formulas all feel very much the same. I think it just kind of depends on what you have going on underneath it. You definitely wouldn't even need like a lip product underneath this for it to look nice, or even this one, the middle one, Sunset Rose, but I think I would definitely wear something underneath this shade because it's the lightest, but I really like all of these. They feel very good. So I think I'm going to wear Sunset Rose for the rest of the day. I will update you guys in the description below how these held up, and I definitely want to wear them more than just once. I want to wear them a few times throughout the rest of the week and then be able to update you guys with my thoughts in a future video, maybe with like a monthly favorites or something. But just so far, like right away, I can tell this is already a very comfortable, jelly, glossy, not sticky formula that I think I'm really going to like. If you have the chance to get this, or even like the cool toned one, if you have a skin tone that fits cool toned lip shades better. I haven't tried the other one, but if it's the formula that is this, I'd say definitely get it. And I love that they all have like a little bit of a tint to them, so they're not just like a clear gloss, you know? And I can already see the hype around it. I can see why people love it because it feels very luxurious on the lips. I think it's a great deal for the amount that you pay and how many lip glosses you get to try out. So if you haven't picked up this set yet, you definitely should. I have a feeling it's gonna sell out really quick. I think I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.